When I say interpret it, I'm thinking interpret it geometrically. Interpret it geometrically. So, in the real numbers, this was your 8th grade or 9th grade class. What was this? When they said graph x equals 4, what was it? Actually, it's not a line. It's a point. It is a single dot. You know, you solved a little equation, solve it for x, you got x equals 4. Okay, graph your answer. Here it is, and you would do that. And so then, this takes me to an algebra class where we were doing 2-space. And so maybe the answer or the question in 2-space was graph x equals 4. So in r squared, x equals 4 is, what is it? It's a line. It is a vertical line. And I remember what I had a lot of students putting on the test is, here's my y-axis, here's the x-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. And I had a lot of students give this for the answer. It's like, wait, that's not right. Because now we're talking r squared. And so really what this is in r squared is x plus 0y is 4. Y could be any, that's a vertical line. Whereas there's one point on the line, but here's another, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, negative 1.5. That it's an infinite number of dots, but it's in a vertical line. So now we're bumping it up to R3. In R3, what is x equals 4? It is a plane. It's a plane. So, in fact, it's this. X plus 0y plus 0z equals 4. And if I need to graph this in R3, I would do this. I would actually reposition my axes from what I did earlier. I think I would put this one, instead of calling this the y-axis, I'd probably call this the x-axis, just because of the nature of what I'm graphing. And if you want to label this x, y, and this one x, that's fine, but you need to have your pictures labeled and drawn to, you need to have your picture drawn to according to your labels. So if I'm going to graph this plane, I'm going to go to 4 on the x-axis. It's not just a single point. From 4, now I'm not going to sketch the whole thing because then I wouldn't be able to really discern what it is, but I'm thinking I'm going to draw the line that is parallel to y. And if I want to go a little that side, you can, but I'd probably stop there. And then a line parallel to z. Now this top part, I'll go this parallel to y. Here's my plane. Color that in a little bit. Now that goes forever, you know, in the top direction and the bottom direction. And it goes forever parallel to the y-axis, but I would sketch that plane something like that. So you'll need to practice sketching some of these pictures.